Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can redeem a code in Mobile Legends. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and go to the official Mobile Legends website. Once the page loads, you will see different options on the main screen. Here you need to find and tap on the option that says Redeem. This will take you to the Redemption Center where you can use your code. Now you will see a form that asks for some information. The first thing you need to enter is your redemption code. This is the special code you have received from an event, a giveaway, or from any official Mobile Legends promotion. Next, you need to enter your game ID. To find your game ID, open the Mobile Legends app on your phone. On the profile screen, you will see your account name, and below it, you will see a series of numbers. That number is your game ID. Copy it from there and paste it in the form. After this, you will need to provide your zone ID. This is usually shown along with your game ID and your account details inside the app. It is a small number after the game ID separated by a bracket. Enter this number correctly in the zone ID field. Now look for the verification code section. You will see a button to get the code. Tap on it and the system will send a verification code to your Mobile Legends in-game mailbox. Finally, once you have entered everything correctly, tap on the Redeem button. If all the details are correct, the rewards linked to your redemption code will be sent directly to your in-game mailbox. Thanks for watching.